All right, these two meme coins that we're gonna talk about today on the Robinhood chain are monsters. And when I say monsters, I mean these can 20, 50, even 100x, possibly more. And there's a narrative and a reason behind this that I'm gonna talk to you about in this video. So make sure you pay attention. You do not want to miss this video. Get a notepad, get a pen, because we are starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Britta Thans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Britta Thans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And today we're gonna talk about two meme coins on the Robinhood chain that are doing extremely well. One is flying, going blue sky breakout after blue sky breakout, meaning it's in constant price discovery. And the other has actually the potential to follow it. It's actually very low market cap, and you do not want to miss these coins. They are on the Robinhood chain. It's a narrative we're looking at for meme coins, and it's a way to invest in the chain early. There's currently no other way unless you go for the stock. It's not the same thing, but you want to be in on these coins. Now, before I get started, I need to give you some clarity. I need to give you some clarity because you need context. This video is not sponsored in any shape, way, or form. I did reach out to the projects after I made a few videos already. I asked for support and sponsorship and they denied. But just so you know, I do accept sponsored videos on this channel. I always disclose it. I always tell you the risks and red flags, even if it's sponsored. But if there is a project I'm getting into and I see the potential, if they don't sponsor me, I'm still making the video. It would be unfair to you and a disservice to you and unethical of me to do otherwise. So with that said, let's get straight into the projects. And the first one is the What If coin on Robinhood. Now, we actually got in on this at a $6 million market cap. I wanted to get into it at a $1 million market cap, actually below that, but I was on vacation. And I did make a video about this and post about this, telling you it's going to fly, and we are now sitting at a $25 million market cap. So we actually got into this a little bit later than what I wanted to. The first person I saw and the first person calling this was Crypto Archie, and I actually made a video about this, giving him credit. I'm giving him credit again. It was an amazing call, The Robinhood narrative with meme coins, that's a great trend stack. That's what usually we do on this channel, but a bit late to it, but we got in nevertheless. So right now it's sitting at a $25 million market cap. And look, a 50, even $100 million market cap on this coin is quite possible. I'm even betting that it will hit that. And look, can it do $1 billion? Why not? If it does a Pepe-like move on a new chain, there is potential. We did this last cycle towards the end. We got in a little bit late with the linear chain and so on, but the Robinhood chain seems to be doing a lot better. It has more potential because of the app, and getting into a first powerful meme coin with community behind it is paramount. It's paramount because the risk-reward ratio, even though meme coins are risky, it just makes sense. And a lot of influencers, I'm telling you right now, a lot of influencers are backing this coin, are getting in this coin. Will they dump at some point? Probably, but this coin is set to go up to all-time highs after all-time highs after all-time highs, in my opinion, and it might even be the next Pepe. I know that's crazy. We called Pepe on this channel. This channel, The Crypto Factor, we called Pepe before almost anybody else. We actually made a video about Pepe before it took off. Well, maybe, just maybe, this one does the same, although we did get in a little bit later. I still think there is potential, so watch the dips if there are any, and make sure you get in on them, especially if there's a big dip. But just be careful, don't keep buying the dip into oblivion. One dip, if it's a massive dip, you buy. If If it goes down more, it doesn't go above that again, you don't buy again until it does, and it makes that confirmation. Why? Because it's a meme coin. You want to be careful, do your own research and all of that. I'll leave a link in the description down below on how to buy it, which is important. I'll leave it also at the end of this video, but also why I believe that it's going to do extremely well. So 2 videos in the description down below about what if. Lots of hype, lots of community, lots of influencers coming into this chain. Now, the next chain or the next meme coin that I am looking at is Imagine, again on the Robinhood chain. And you can see this cup and handle here forming. And I'm gonna tell you this, don't buy this now. If it breaks this handle over here, see how it's the lip and the down part over here, the handle part over here, if it breaks 0.001064, the likelihood of this going up, retesting even the all-time highs over here, but at least the top of these 2 candles over here are quite likely. And if this breaks, if you don't account for the wick, it's blue sky breakout. If you account for the wick, it's blue sky breakout and price discovery. So why would you get into this coin? Well, first of all, this coin was brought to my attention by a subscriber, by somebody that's following me, telling me, A, it's doing the same move, sort of, like what if, and there's potential there. There are always going to be runner-ups on coins that people are gonna try and get into when they miss the other one, even though the other one will probably climb more and there's risk. It's a perceived less risk. Oh, this must climb. But sometimes you actually take the hit. So think of it like this. Think about if a good example, what's a good example? Perpetual Dex narrative. Perpetual Dex narrative, you have, let's say, hype, and then you have the runner-up with his Aster. Aster is the runner-up that could take market share, or if it doesn't, it will go back into hype, but you want to play the narrative. Does that make sense? Well, kind of the same thing here, except it's a meme coin, it's a bit more difficult to call, and it's a bit more luck involved. But if you are in, let's say, what if, you can get into Imagine. I got in with 1/10 of what I had from profits from what if. I put the 1/10 into Imagine, so now they can both climb. If it goes to shit, it goes to shit. This will probably take more market share as other meme coins in the narrative go to shit. Does that make sense? And then that can continue going up. If they both go up and it overtakes, even better, and so on. So these are the 2 meme coins, both on Robinhood. This is very important, not on Solana. No, it has to be the meme coin with a chain, the narrative chain play of Robinhood. It's the only, that's what's kind of making this more interesting or plausible. It's not just a random meme coin. It's investing early in the chain through meme coins, since there's no really other way to do that, and that can give you the advantage. So, can Imagine do 100,000? Well, it already did. I called it at around, we called it, if you look at my post on Twitter, when did we call this? Just so you can see where it can get to. So I have a tweet over here, as you can see, July the 31st. Just bought some Imagine as a little canary told me something crazy. I'll tell you what's crazy in just 1 second, and surprise a lot of people. So I took some profits from What If and tried my luck there. Now holding both as a gamble, with What If being my larger bag. And as you can see, I tried to reach out to Imagine Coin, the CTO, which I thought it was Chief Technical Officer, but it turns out it means community takeover. Maybe there's a little play in words over here, I don't know. This is a very small coin. Maybe follow Imagine CTO official over here. Make sure you get the right address. Make sure you go to Imagine Coin, the website. But because with these you never really know, just use Dex Screener, and I'll leave both links to Imagine and to What If down below as well as the videos. So make sure you don't get scammed. You never know. Maybe I was talking to someone irrelevant over here. I don't know. So make sure you go to Dex Screener and go that route. Again, either go here and get it from here, and I'll leave the link in the description down below. So there you have it. That's what I'm looking at. Those are the two meme coins I'm looking at as a Robinhood chain play. Let's see how it works out. Always there are risks, significant risks, especially when there are meme coins. Maybe this doesn't play out as logical as it sounds. It might go all to shit, so please be careful. Now, if you want to see how you can buy the What If token, the simplest, easiest, and fastest way to do it, make sure you watch this video up here. You don't want to miss this video. Go step by step through how you can do that, or watch this video down here, because I'm telling you, this video will change the way you think about crypto and actually make you some profits if you haven't made any already. So watch one of these videos and I will see you in the next one.